What up guys, we're back with another Air Force One, but this time a high. We're doing a summer Bape custom design, so let's get into it. Start off, as always, we're going to unlace the shoes and we're going to prep the leather with a nail polisher to get that factory finish off. Next, we're going to go trace the Bape design. I did it by freehand with a pencil because I didn't like it with a pen last time because it just was hard to paint over, so I did it with the pencil. So let's get into it and do like a random Bape design. Pick our colors, which I picked the summer like a orangey and a blue to kind of get that summer vibe, and then we're gonna paint. Make sure to do at least 3 coats, and yeah, let's get into it. Super excited. We just finished and I love it, just absolutely love it. I want to show you guys the final product, but I also want to thank you guys for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe. If you guys need any custom, check out the IG.